Good morning guys, today is Friday. This is nearly the end of week 8. This is the second part of week 8 anyway, the video. So thought I'd do a video before the guys get here soon. So today I have the ceiling guys coming to start doing the framework, putting the lines in for the ceiling and that, as well as the plumbers coming to put the pipe work like underneath and then out, you know. So today is actually going to be quite a busy day. This is all got to be rubbed down and then skim coated, and then we can actually get the primer on. So all the rooms on the second floor are being being rendered. A couple of little issues that need to be addressed today. So getting everything ready for doing all the plumbing and getting the floor sorted out. All this stuff taken off before the tailors come in next week. Once we get the tiles done, then we get the big windows and that installed, and doors. Right, onto the third floor. Right, behind that wall is the master bedroom. What the client's doing, he's having his office area here. There's a big pool table that comes here, but the way the ceiling goes, it comes at 5 meters, and then where the column is there to there, it slopes down to 4.20 meters. So just a meter above that doorway, that's where the ceiling slopes to. So I've got the stone slates in, the fittings for the stone slates. Yeah, so the electrician was in yesterday doing the first fix for the boxes and all that. Alright, now into the master bedroom. So let's come over here, I'll show you a bit better. So you come in there with a 90cm door, and he's got a place for a unit or whatever he wants to put there. That's a walk-in closet, and then bathroom. So the ceilings are quite high in here. The ceilings are 3.20 m in the bedroom. The ceiling in the bedroom is going to be the same as part of the office area. It's 4.20 m, and then here it's going to be 3.20 m for the ceilings here. So basically this is the shower area, or what will be the shower area. So there's going to be a 45cm out, 45cm high seating area there. Big rain shower here, and in the corner we're going to be doing like a 45 shelving system in there built in. And the guys just rendered this up yesterday, so we've got this wall to do yet. In this area there's actually a standalone bath between the doorways, and then here will actually be a toilet for this room. And then a Japanese style toilet's actually going in here, you know. I joke with the client yesterday, where are you going to put the TV on the wall as well? Because he's making that one quite the toilet quite nice. And here you have the basin here. Now you want the unit, but the door here will actually swing open right up. He wants the door so you can swing it, so it's open 180. Yeah. Oh, soccer work, cool, good job. I mean, the guys work so quick. I mean, all this was done in 2.5 days. All these walls, the bathroom, the bedroom, and the closet. I made a bit of a problem on that mixer. I have to address that. Sounds like the workers are just arriving now. This is the lunchtime hammock, which stick off the scaffolding. They're cutting all the mesh up for putting it cut across where the lintel meets the block up, just to reinforce all that for when they render. And they've started doing boxing where the staircase is. Fantastic job. They're learning a lot now, because normally they wouldn't block this way. So they actually key the blocks in quite well. And they put the rods right the way down. So maybe start rendering. So like I say, the ceiling company's going to come in, start doing the frameworks. I need to do some render on here first. But they're going to be starting on the first floor and second floor today. Putting all the lines in for the ceiling heights, and then getting the frame in on the outside. So it's a nice size area. I think you just live on this floor alone. Looks like the render team. Yeah, so this is just for one guy on his own. Big house. I was just saying to me Forman yesterday, God, he's going to need at least 5 housemates. But we're built to the client's specification. Okay, so we've got the builder sand there, stone and render sand there. The green one's actually for the block work, and the blue one's actually for the render. Super Sir, Super Tiger. Oh, and the other thing is, yeah, boxes on the outside as well. So on this column here, we're actually going to build it out a bit, because we've got 4 sockets here, and there's a light here, staunch light, and it's got the double power there, and internet, the internet location there. Right. Let me show you the 4th floor. I forgot my drone this one. I wanted to put the drone up, but I mean, you've pretty much seen it. So next week they're actually going to start building this room here. Right, so we have a double block wall system, comes up here all the way there and there, but on here we'll have a single block here. So if you can imagine, there's a 90cm doorway here. The wall comes across here and straight down there. That all gets rendered up in there. The block work comes here on this side, and there's a window here and a basin, and here we've got a 2 meter by 2 meter doorway here with a single block work up there. Then we have a 90 centimeter high chrome railing that runs all the way around, but here we have a 50 centimeter wall, comes up and stops here, and that goes around to where that steel work is there. So a 50 centimeter wall that comes up to here, and that's just so we can actually do the finish off on this roof, you know. And then railing all the way around, and then railing actually comes from here and then stops. There's this issue here I need to tidy up, so that's that part there. The staircase to go up onto the observation, again I need to address this because that looks absolutely terrible. Where to put the steel up from here, so we actually need to plate on there to bolt the stairs down, and actually weld these rods in so we can tidy that up quite nice. And the same at the top there, and there's a big chrome rail, 90 centimeter high chrome rail goes around the top as well. So that's a viewpoint, nighttime viewpoint for the telescope. There you go. Absolutely beautiful day. So I'll show you more in a bit. As you can see, they're installing the pipe work, waste pipe, and installing the framework for the ceiling. So that's all finished, rendered up. Need chang fa. Okay, just a little bit there to render. So we have a 20 centimeter gap here. So we've got nice high ceilings, but enough room to for the all electrics and the plumbing. So there's no plumbing on this side, it's just all electric. You see how we do the clips. So it's all clipped in. That's a fantastic job. And here on the second floor, same again. Doing all the framework, high ceiling, This is a 3 meter 40. Yeah, but the bathrooms are 3 meter ceilings. The wind's getting up, and here they've actually got to start sloping that up there and then turn it up for the staircase. So they've left that to last. There's men. This is Sunday. One proud guy there for this team. There you go, here's the rain. Don't know if you can hear us, the wind might be a bit strong. But anyway guys, call it a day. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.